Welcome everybody to more of the Constructicons. Got Hook and Long Haul. Got the see if his sticker's feeling viable. Yeah, works a little bit. It does have the extendable hook on his, but let's see here. He just to robot form is just you leave them together. Maybe not. Okay, yeah. Flip them over. Put those back in place, and you. Okay, then roll. Oh, okay, go outside. Yeah, give him individual legs. Pop his head up and his arms out. Get into robot form. Stay together. Okay, of course, these guys make up the torso of Devastator. Even with. Okay, so let's flip his legs over, cab down, pull his arms out, and flip his hands out. Easier said than done on this old plastic. There it goes. And flip the cab back and pop his head up. There we go. Pretty simple transformation, really. Sort of. And run into this. Oh, maybe it's the arms that lock it in place. I'm trying to figure out how to. That just feels bad. I'm sorry. I don't think it was any easier with the arms popped out. But, anyway, there is truck form. So, what's his sticker doing? There it goes. I say there. That used to. It seems like that used to take like 20 or 30 seconds to change back and forth. So that's. They have definitely been, age not been kind to them. Let's see. Out, around, back in place. Head fell down on its own. Lock that in. And we got green, and that spins as well. I say but so we've got all the pieces out now. So tomorrow we will get Devastator assembled. So that'll probably take a little bit longer of a video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.